Hey there, tech enthusiasts and home network seekers. Today I'm thrilled to share my experience with the TP-Link Deco AX3000 Wi-Fi 6 mesh system, a game-changing solution that has transformed my home network and eliminated those Wi-Fi unseen spots. Let's get started. A Wi-Fi 6 mesh system that's not just a set of devices, it's a complete revolution in home networking, with coverage of up to 500 Sq.Ft. It's like having a blanket of high-speed internet that envelops every corner of your home. Say goodbye to the traditional wireless router and extenders. The Deco AX3000 replaces them both, simplifying your network setup and ensuring a seamless, uninterrupted connection across your entire home, like having a unified network that just works. The 3 Gigabit ports per unit are a standout feature, like having a network hub in each Deco unit, ready to connect your wired devices with lightning-fast speeds. Whether it's gaming consoles, smart TVs, or desktop computers, the Deco AX3000 has got you covered. And let's talk about the Ethernet backhaul support, a feature that ensures the fastest and most stable connections between Deco units. It's like having a network that adapts to your home's unique layout, providing optimal performance without compromise. So I've set up the Deco AX3000 in my home and I've been using it for over 6 months, and the difference is outstanding. No more buffering, no more dropped connections, just reliable high-speed internet across every room. It's a game changer for anyone tired of Wi-Fi frustrations. In conclusion, if you're looking for a Wi-Fi 6 mesh system that covers your entire home, replaces router and extender, and provides gigabit speeds with Ethernet backhaul support, I would recommend the TP-Link Deco AX3000. That's the one to choose.